In this video, I'm going to be doing a few... That intro was but those are the two main ones, really. No, again. Hello, one and all. Welcome back to the channel. On this video, back on the Maxim. Currently sat in it now, as the weather is a little bit iffy and a bit windy out there. So thought I'd do the intro in here. And on this video, just carrying on, chipping off a few more off the list of things to do. Bump strips are one of them, and some speaker wiring in the back is another thing I want to get done. And basically just see how I get on on this video. 'Tis that time of year, so season's greetings to everyone. Hopefully you get whatever you've asked Santa for. I am hoping there is an Escort Cosworth and a Ferrari F40 under the tree for me on Christmas Day, but you know, I don't know if Santa will get them in his sleigh, but you know, fingers crossed. So anyway, enough waffling, I'll get on with the video. First things first, we'll go and sort those speaker wires out, and yeah, because they're annoying me every time I open the boot, see dangly wires. Not a good look. So yeah, let's go and get that sorted. Alright, next on the job list is sorting these wires out here. So they're the original standard wires for the speaker, and previous owner Josh, he extended them. They were plugged into the standard speaker, and he extended them because he had 6x9s up on the shelf here. So I've got them to sort. So basically just remove the excess wire and put some connectors back on the end here and plug them back in. So yeah, let's get that done, and try not to blow anything up. I've just removed the speaker to make it easier to plug them in before tightening back up, and I've just noticed they're vibe speakers. Not even standard, so a little bit of an upgrade. A little cheeky upgrade there. Yeah, pleased with that actually. I know I'm keeping it standard, but I don't mind the sound system being a bit higher rated. So yeah, brilliant. Anyway, let's get some connectors onto those and get it all bolted back up. And there we go, much better, much neater, just for the bin. So yeah, I'll get the other side done. Won't video that, but yes, happy with that. Yes, and I know the back of the seats need cleaning and repainting, which will be on my list to do, but it might have to wait for warmer weather. Actually, I suppose better try make sure they still work. Yep, all good. So I'm gonna get that one done, and that's the speakers sorted. Right, next up on the to-do list is sort these bump strips out. As I've mentioned before, they have been painted by previous owner gloss black. It's because they were faded apparently, so he just painted them gloss black. They look alright, but they're not my cup of tea. I have taken one off and actually painted it, sanded it down and painted it in the bumper paint, and as you can see, it looks quite a bit different. Let me bring you over and have a look. As you can see, it looks quite a bit different, but it has lost a bit of the texture because obviously it's been painted a couple of coats in the gloss. I've then had to sand it down slightly and then paint it with the bumper paint, which is designed to go straight on to non-painted stuff. So it has lost a bit of texture. Colour looks right. So what I've done is I've picked up a second set of good condition but faded, very faded, standard side trims. So the plan of action is clean these down, not sand them, and paint them with the bumper paint as you should, and swap them over. see how they look, but fingers crossed it'll look a lot better than painted gloss. But currently, yeah, as you can see the difference between all of them there. Oh. So hopefully these will just look like brand new, a bit like what I did with the wiper arms plastic on here. They come up great. So yes, let's get these sorted. First things first, need to remove these 1.2 badges, which, you know, just push out like that. I'll put the S ones in when I've painted these up. Remove those. Put them on the Williams. Oh yeah, I can't, it's different bump strips, isn't it? Anyway, I'll just clean them down with my my good old trusty brake cleaner. Just give them a quick clean over, and then on with what I normally use, this bumper and trim black. Great stuff. So yeah, won't take long to refurb. It's not like you've got loads of coats of primer and everything. You literally use that straight onto your plastic. So anyway, we'll get these cleaned down, painted up. And there we go. They've actually come up amazing. They literally look like new. So very, very pleased with that. So yeah, I'll leave these to dry and then pop them on the car. A couple of days before I do it, but it will be for you. It'll only be a few seconds. So yeah, next thing you'll see is me fitting these. Right, let's get these painted trims onto the car. So dead simple, it's super quick and easy. So open the door, you have to undo this here and slide the trim back. If you don't slide the trim and you pull it, you'll break the clips that are on the back. So always slide the trims. And again with this, I have already taken this one off, and it has obviously been off before and the clips are broken, so I'm gonna have to try and see what clips I've got and see what I can do, and hopefully get it all fitted correctly with the clips that are left. So anyway, I'm going to pop you on time lapse. No, actually, I'll show you how quick it is to do it. If I just angle you up, literally undo the door, take that out as quickly as that, and slide it back, and there you go, one removed. Now there's already some missing, I can see, but we'll make do with what we've got. I'll transfer, obviously I need to transfer the S badge over, put what clips I need to on the repainted ones and refit. So yeah, let me go on with that. And there we go. The difference before there and after, so much better. So anyway, let me get all the other ones done. So I've got a few extra clips which I can put in, especially on the rear quarter. because you don't want to be losing that. There's only a few on there. That one's all right, so there you go. They're pretty much all on there. There's one missing on this side as well, so I'm gonna have to get a couple of extras, but I'll do that in spring. But I have made sure, like the other side, all the other clips are on the back of the strips, so I'll sort that. But yeah, simple as. Let's see if I can do this while videoing. On. Simple as that. Let's get the front one done. And there we go. Much better. I'll show you the other side. It's just the same though. All done. Looking fresh. Looking much more original. Not shiny gloss like they were before. Just need to now mask and do the bumpers, but that's a job for spring. So yeah, on to the next thing. Right then, next up on the Maxim, I'm going to flush the coolant system out, because I want to fit Renault Type E coolant. Some of you will probably be thinking, why am I not fitting Type D? Because Renault have changed. Their Type D is now not what it was. So Type D is now called Type E. All very confusing. Anyway, I'll explain more in a minute. But yes, I'm going to fit a new header tank, put the genuine Renault coolant in. I'll go around to the back. Yeah. New tank and Renault coolant. Now, quick nerd session for people, and also a bit of a word of warning. The Williams and cars like this of this era all used Renault Type D coolant, which was a yellowy greeny colour. Renault have now changed. The Renault Type D coolant is now not suitable for those cars. The Renault Type E coolant is now the new Type D, and they've changed the colour of the Type E. So the Type E is the same product as the Type D was, but it's a different colour and obviously letter E rather than D. I have no idea why Renault didn't just keep it as Type D as it was and then the new one be Type E. I don't know why they had to use the new one as Type D and then rename the Type D as E. So if anyone wonders why I'm fitting Type E coolant into the Clio, that is why. Stupid Renault. No need. Anyway, let me get the coolant all flushed out. So that's the coolant all drained. Actually, when I say coolant, it was just water. There was hardly any coolant in. So all drained. I flushed it through with water, so everything, all the brown muckiness is all out. It's running really clean, and I got as much water as I can out of the whole system. So put it on time lapse, remove the good bottle, and fill up the new bottle, which is over here, blown over here. Fill up the new bottle with the new Renault coolant. Put that just there. Right, I'll pop you on time lapse. Right, as you can see, I've started the engine. Header tank's all in. Get that circulating around the engine and top it up to where it needs to be. But yeah, look at the state of this whole thing. So yeah, nice to get some proper nice coolant in there. I'll run this for a bit, flush it through, and then I'll change it again so it's fully flushed through, but won't do that till spring. So yeah, I'll leave the video there. In fact, we're all nearly done. So yeah, let me top that up and I'll bring you back for a closing. And there we go, all done. So nice new coolant in there and a new header tank. So yes, I will call that a day on this video. It's gone on long enough, I should think. So anyway, I'd just like to say thank you all for watching. New subscribers. I've had quite a few new ones since I've had the Maxim actually, so yeah, thank you to all you lot and all my old subscribers, and I will catch you on the next one. A few more videos coming up on this and the Impreza, so keep an eye out for that. So yes, anyway, waffling again, so thank you all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.